Did you know that there are over 200 billion stars in our galaxy alone? Imagine all the adventures waiting for us in space. Today, we're taking you on a journey through 12 exciting planets, exploring rockets, aliens, and all the fun adventures space has to offer for kids. First stop, Mercury. Did you know Mercury is the fastest planet in our solar system? It zooms around the sun in just 88 days. But guess what? It's also super hot during the day and freezing at night. Next up, Venus. Even though Mercury is closer to the sun, Venus is actually the hottest planet. Its thick clouds trap heat, making it over 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than a pizza oven. Welcome to Earth. It's the only planet we know with life. It has just the right air, water, and temperature to keep us safe. And did you know? 70% of Earth is covered in water. Say hello to Mars, also called the red planet. It gets its color from rusty dust. And guess what? Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. It's 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Satchamani Neram, hold on tight. It's Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is so huge that 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. And that giant red spot? It's actually a storm bigger than Earth. Next, we have Saturn. Known for its beautiful rings, Saturn is a gas giant made mostly of hydrogen and helium. And fun fact, Saturn is so light that it would float on water. If we had a giant bathtub, that is. Here comes Uranus. This planet is really weird. It rotates on its side. No other planet does that. Plus, Uranus is one of the coldest planets in the solar system. Neptune is here. This deep blue planet has the strongest winds in the solar system, over 1,200 miles per hour. That's faster than a jet plane. Pluto may be small, but it's still amazing. It used to be the 9th planet, but now it's a dwarf planet. It has mountains made of ice and a heart-shaped glacier. Eris is another dwarf planet, and it's even farther than Pluto. It's one of the coldest places in our solar system. Scientists think Eris might have a thin atmosphere made of frozen gas. And finally, meet Kepler 22b. This planet is outside our solar system and might have liquid water, just like Earth. Scientists think it could even have alien life. What do you think? Have you ever wondered how rockets take us to space? Buckle up, because we're about to launch into some super cool rocket facts. Let's go! Rockets are powerful machines that help astronauts travel to space. They use fire and fuel to push off the ground and fly super fast, even faster than an airplane. Did you know? Rockets must travel at least 25,000 miles per hour to escape Earth's gravity. That's faster than 1,000 race cars zooming together. Rockets work by pushing hot gases out of their engines. That force pushes them up into space. It's like blowing up a balloon and letting go. Whoosh! Guess what? Some rockets, like SpaceX's Falcon 9, can land and be used again. That saves a lot of money and helps us explore space more often. The tallest rocket ever built is NASA's Saturn V. It was taller than the Statue of Liberty, and it helped astronauts reach the moon. Rockets help us explore amazing places in space. Some rockets go to the International Space Station, some land on the moon, and others travel far to Mars and beyond. Have you ever wondered what astronauts do in space? Let's find out together. Whoa! I'm in space with real astronauts. Astronauts are super brave space explorers who travel in rockets and live in space stations. They do experiments, fix satellites, and even take spacewalks. Did you know? Astronauts float in space because there's no gravity pulling them down. They eat, sleep, and even exercise while floating. Can you imagine sleeping in the air? Astronauts wear special spacesuits to protect them from the freezing cold and burning heat of space. Brrr! And guess what? The suits have oxygen tanks so they can breathe, just like scuba divers underwater. Guess what? Astronauts eat special space food in pouches because there's no gravity to hold a plate or fork. They even drink water through straw pouches so it doesn't float away. Wow, astronauts are so cool. Would you like to be an astronaut one day? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this adventure, Don't forget to check out our other videos and let us know in the comments which planet you'd like to visit. Please like and subscribe to my channel.